Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Power BI Desktop is installed and you have access to your data sources. This matters because connectivity affects refresh later. Once you've gathered Excel/CSV files and database credentials, open Get Data and connect to your primary source. Make sure to preview tables and select only needed columns to reduce load. You're doing this now to avoid rework. A focused import speeds transformations and keeps your dataset lean before you apply any complex steps. Now you transform and model. Open Power Query to clean rows, remove errors, and standardize column names because clean data prevents logic bugs. Once done, set correct data types and create calculated columns or measures as needed. This improves analysis flexibility. Then load to the model and define relationships. Prefer a star schema to optimize performance. Make sure to test with sample visuals. If aggregations behave oddly, revisit the relationships and measures to align granularity and fix mismatches. Finish by applying changes and publishing the dataset to Power BI service. This lets you schedule refreshes and share results. After publishing, assign workspace permissions and row-level security if required, because access control protects data. If you encounter issues, check refresh history and error messages. Often the cause is credentials or broken query folding. If a refresh fails, retest the connection and inspect transformations step by step to find the exact failing step. Fix there and republish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.